Hello everyone and welcome to the Honda S800 update number 35. As you can see, we have the whole crew here. We're pumped up because we're gonna make some progress on the S800. These two right here are gonna be working on the dual master cylinder. They're gonna look at it, they're gonna see what we need, if we got everything, and then we're gonna be asking you guys for some help if we find out we need something. I'm gonna be working on the wiring harness for the inside of the car, so that's gonna be fun and we're gonna make some good progress. All right, let's get started. All right, everyone, Maximus and Elise is going to be working on looking at this dual master cylinder, looking at the diagram and trying to put all these pieces here and making it look like this so we can make sure that we have everything.
Okay, so Max and I were able to find most of the parts. We're going to show you guys what we have and where we're a little bit confused. We do have pretty much all of these elements. We also have the clamp that goes around this, just not right here right now. So that part's looking pretty good. Here we're supposed to have some washers, both underneath right here, as well as in the front. And we think maybe these go here, but we're not sure that anything fits here at the moment. So we might be missing those. We're not 100%. For this part, we have these two springs and they both have those little colander looking things with the holes in them, but one of them also has like a gasket and a little piece that fits in the middle. So we're not sure if this one should also have one. Kind of looks like it on the diagram, so we think we might be needing to find that. When we come to these little caps, we can't quite decide if they go on this end or if they go on the spring end. So if anyone knows about that, that would be really useful information to know which way these little caps fit. And then as we come down here, it looks like we have these rubber pieces already on this element. So we think that these might just be spares for us at this point. But again, if anyone knows anything, please share. We do have our C-clips. And then this last segment here was already pretty well put together. It looks like we have all of that as well as this rubber cap.
So what I did is I removed the dash, which is really simple. We just took it out. I put our new refurbished gauge cluster down here. And what I'm doing is that I am snaking the wiring harness through the appropriate holes. I'm using the very simple wiring diagram in the owner's manual, and I'm going to be matching up where the harnesses go. So whenever we're done, we got all the connectors and we've got the harness all set up. Whenever we're ready to get the car fired up, we're just going to simply have to fire it up because we're going to connect everything. We're going to get everything into place. You know, some stuff is color coded, which is fine. Other things I'm just kind of trying to realize. One of the things I had to do was also I had to remove the windshield wiper motor because I had the windshield wiper motor on top of the harness. So I had to remove it, you know, snake the harness in and then put the motor back in there, which was a necessary step. But yeah, making some great progress here and really getting some stuff done.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day. See you next time on Driver's Therapy.